I can see it. It's not one of those tricks. So I just saw it. It's 2 clubs. It's okay. Here's what we're going to do. I'm not going to get you to sign it, but hold your hands out flat, both of them like this. I'm going to put the 2 in your hand. Cover it so I can't see the back. Cover it completely. Yeah, because I don't want to get to it. I don't want you to think after that I'm trying to cheat, right? Get the Queen of Hearts. We'll use the Queen, the top card. If I come under your hand and then I come back out, see now I've got the 2. It happens fast, right? Now if you look in your hand, that means you should have the Queen. Yeah. Okay. You can keep your hands actually hold them both out flat like this. Doesn't matter what hand you are. Just place one hand on top and cover the back so I can't see it at all. And we'll take the Joker. Okay, and we'll see if we can do this right in front of you. I'll come underneath with the Joker. Now I've got the Queen, and you should have the Joker.
Amazing.
Mind explosion, right? It's the best thing you've ever seen. It's the best thing I've ever seen.
You do it often?
And I've seen it like every day, all the time. Okay, this is called the 2-card transpo. Essentially 2 cards doing a transposition from one place to another instantly. People love this one, they freak out. It's a great trick to do if someone's like, hey, do something on the spot. Very easy to set up, very easy to perform, doesn't use very many sleights. It's something that you'll probably get to feel very comfortable with and be confident performing for anybody. Okay, so this is the setup. You need 2 queens. Okay, duplicate cards. You need whatever you're going to do it with, 2 2s, 2 8s, 2 aces, 2 queens, just 2 of the same card. Those go on top of the deck. Somebody picks a card, doesn't matter what it is at all. They take it out, they show their friends, okay? So as they're showing their friends, this is where you're going to do like move number 1, which is essentially a one-handed card turnover. You're going to use your thumb to push off the top card, flip it over, and then you're going to get a break underneath it with your pinky. Okay, so essentially the thumb just pushes it over, it flips, and then you're going to get a break underneath it, which you can learn in detail in the previous section. You can also do that standing up. I'll just right here. So you can do it on the side of your leg. It's a lot easier if you're standing. And it's one of those things you're just going to do casually. Don't make a move of it. You're just going to turn it over, get a break under it, and moving on to the next section. Okay, so when they hand you the card back, you don't want to keep your hand like this because you don't want them to see that you've got a card face up with your pinky in it. So you're going to keep that face down so they can't see it. When you take back the selection that everyone has just been showing to their friends, you're going to load it on top of the deck this way. Straight on top of that face-up card. So when you come back and turn the cards over, it looks like the only card that's there. Right? So you're turning that card over with one hand, you're getting a break. They hand you back the card, you're loading it underneath and turning everything over to show the card that they just chose. At that point, they hold their hands open, you turn both cards over, which is a double lift, and you're putting that queen, unbeknownst to them, in their hands, and you have them cover it. You want to have them cover it pretty quickly. You don't have to rush it, but just kind of like remain in the area until it's covered so they don't just go like, oh, and the whole thing's ruined, and you know. So be sure, kind of stay in the area, control the situation. Have them cover it. Once it's covered, good to go. At this point, you're just going to do a double lift. Okay, you can learn that in the previous section. We can do strike doubles. You can pull up on 2 cards from the back. You can get a thumb count. You can get a pinky count. One of the many different ways we've taught how to do a double lift. I like pushing off 2 cards and getting a break like that. You're going to turn that over. You're going to show the queen. You're going to turn it back down, go under their hand, come back out and show that the card has switched. You have the 4. They open their hands up. They have the queen. Both cards transposed through space and time. Everyone's freaking out. The music drops. Shots on everybody. Which actually isn't ever really the case. But it's a great trick. I think you guys are going to love it. Practice it. It's the simple things that really end up blowing minds, in my opinion, the most. So that one is something I still do pretty much every day.